Alright, it's a hot, well, warm summer day. I'd say it's like 75 out there. About 90 in here, 85 in here. Always hotter in the RV. Got the little chirping birds over there. Making a bunch of noise. Also enjoying this beautiful weather. Sunny and warm. Love it. And I just got back grocery shopping and picking up mail. So groceries, we got 2 big old fat cucumbers. Look at these things. They're massive. It's like a... Oh, that's a good sized cucumber. Yes, we also got the monitor, so I can finish doing my PC upgrade. I got the game controller, because I wanted a wired USB controller with vibrate in it. I already got one, but it didn't have vibrate. I'm going to use that for some of my gaming on the PC. Got GTA 5, I want to try it out, and I'm not playing GTA with the keyboard and mouse. I hate that. So, a couple big old fat cucumbers for my empty fridge. Look at this thing. It's so empty. Got no food. Broccoli. I did check for kale. I have been checking for kale, and well, no, this time I checked for kale. Last time I wanted to check for kale, but I forgot to check for kale. This time I checked for kale, and it's just not looking very good. There's only a couple bushels left, and they're looking kind of not quite good enough for me. So I went with the broccoli. Baby carrots, of course. I love these carrots. They go good on the burritos. They're good for snacks. Good for the morning if I'm too busy or antsy. I just sometimes don't have an appetite for breakfast. I kind of always remember having that issue. Not really. Was never really big on breakfast. Sometimes I am. I prefer myself to eat breakfast because then I got energy for the rest of the day. Beef patties. Ah, yes. Never run out of beef. Then we got the bread. Potato buns for that beef. Also got a couple cans of tuna. Winco's a little better deal than Walmart for food. A lot better store too. I prefer to spend money at Winco over Walmart. Oh boy, I still got to organize. Yeah, we're still in the middle of things around here. Boy. Baby carrots, a couple bags of coleslaw. Coleslaw, baby carrots. I'm gonna switch back to lettuce at some point. I love lettuce. I just started liking this coleslaw because I realized how long it lasts. Lettuce kind of starts to decompose a lot quicker. I got like 2 eggs left in that. Also got some eggs. A couple of things of ranch. Best kind of ranch. While trying to adjust to this smaller mini fridge. The RV fridge was so much bigger. Now I just got this tiny little freezer and tiny little refrigerator part. I do love the 2-door though versus this thing. Some cheese for the hamburgers. I like this Colby Jack. Got the mayonnaise for the fridge and one for storage. Mayonnaise for making the tuna sandwiches and egg salad sandwiches. Eggs. And then we'll get to the mail here in just a second and put this food away. Alright, so what do we got in this first package? Feels like wire. No, it's an adapter. We got a DVI-D to VGA adapter. This is for my new video card, so I can use a VGA monitor if I need to. I got this is the second adapter I'm trying out. The first one was just a DVI or something. It had 4 extra pins, and this looks like the one I need. So the first one had to go back. The second one. Now this should have some wire in it, hopefully. There's the controller. We'll check that out here in a minute. There's the wire. Silicone wire. Flexible. Like spaghetti noodle. I'm making some custom leads. I already got some banana jacks and alligator clips, and I just got a few things I want to do that are custom. Make some custom connections. Boy, this. Alright, there we go. Wired gaming controller. So I can play some GTA. GTA on freaking mouse. Some games are good on mouse, other games I can't stand it. Chino. But it was cheap. I mean, like price-wise, so. And these must light up, because in the picture these are all multicolored, so let's plug this in and see what it looks like. It's actually a nice length cord. Usually they either send these way too short or way too long. There's like 50-foot cords that come on some of these. Like, what? Oh yeah, look at that. Pretty. Installing driver software. Yeah, just a... I don't know what that ring is for. Changes colors or something. Anyway, it says in the reviews that that Windows will recognize this as X input vibration capable gaming controller for the GTA 5. I'm gonna play around on that, see how I like it. Maybe even play through the story again. I liked the story on GTA 5 is great. It's hilarious. Well, it's actually, I kind of like the look of this. Pretty nice. Alright, monitor time. Let's check out this monitor. Hewlett Packard. Alright, we got the 22YH. I think it has an anti-glare cover on it, something too, I read, maybe. Or maybe that was a different monitor. I don't really know what that even means. But either way, 22YH, whatever that means. Display. 1080p, VGI, HDMI inputs, Hewlett Packard, pretty well-known brand. We'll see, what kind of quality we got here. Glad to see no crunched corners or anything. Not that it would matter too much. We got lots of styrofoam protection. Oh wow, the whole thing is encased in styrofoam. I love it. Oh, there's all my stuff on the other side. Got the stand. We got a HDMI cable. We got the monitor cable, power cable. And this has the base mount, so I can just pull this one off and put the monitor in its place. Something else fell on the ground, didn't it? Oh yeah, there we go. It's the base for the stand, so that's something like that. And the monitor. No speakers, but that's okay. I mostly use headphones anyway. I'll come up with something later. A lot of you are saying, did you just get a TV? That's a good point. I could You get a lot better deal with TVs for some reason. You get a big old TV. Well, this is only 110 bucks, so I don't know what kind of size or quality TV you can get for 110 bucks, but yeah, it's a good idea. I'll save that idea though for the back bedroom. I do want to have put a TV back there, so we'll mess with that idea later. Get a television. I don't want to go too big in this. You know, this one is technically a television. This right here, it has the coaxial hookup for the TV antenna, whole bunch of inputs, speakers built in. I don't know. Anyway, this is what I came up with, what I got. Quick setup sheet here. Oversized, I guess, to protect the monitor, and also give you some setup tips. I like how light it is. Yeah, this has got I love that it's so much lighter than this thing. This swings all over the place when I'm driving. Alright, let's get that put in and see how it works. Bring this down here. So it sits on the desk. Put some Loctite on this next monitor. Okay, there it is, the old LG 2009, I think it says somewhere on there. 2008. I was wrong. A little bit older than a 2009. I don't know what I was thinking. Must have been an 09 on something else. 22LG30. Lots of inputs. I do like this TV still. This will be better for watching movies on, though, probably in the back or. Yeah, see, that thing's at least 10 pounds. That is just going to be way too springy for the next monitor, so I'm going to take an Allen. Takes the bigger Allen, yeah. That's better. Let's get the monitor on there and see how it all works, see how heavy it is. Yeah, way lighter. I like the way that sits too. That's the vase amount is more centered in the center of the screen versus kind of like toward the top on this one. So I put it a lot closer to the tabletop there. Okay. Let's just put a couple in for now. I could take them out one at a time and put on the Loctite when I'm ready to do that. Wonder if it came with some. Well, might as well reuse these screws. I mean, ah, crap! It is the smaller base mount. That's the first time I've had to use that. I'm liking that already. It's just lighter, slimmer, like slimmer. A little worried about the quality though. We'll see how the picture is. It says it's full HD, but I don't know. We'll see. No, it's not bad. I like it size-wise. And it's a proper HD, or I mean a widescreen. It's a true widescreen. This is not a true widescreen. A 1080p picture on here is cut off. It's got back bars on the bottom and the top. So it's a lot, yeah. Old school picture size. Perfect. Yeah, I like it. Sweet. Put this back. These Amazon cheap. I got two of these VESA monitor mounts and stuck them together to make a camera mount thing. Actually, it was a microphone thing holder at first. It was a boom mic. But I realized the USB mic that I had was garbage, and so I ended up just spending a little bit more and getting a good one. But yeah, it came with these little tool holder things that are really handy. You can keep all those nearby for making adjustments on that. Okay, so these two screws are just tighten for now. I want to make sure this thing works first, and then I'll get some Loctite and put the others in. And can I use that? Well, I don't know. I know where it's at if I need that for the other monitor. I guess it's not absolutely necessary to have it. For it. It works, I like it. Plugged in. It is a little flimsier though, for like. Actually, no, it's not bad. Still manhandle that, move it around, move it up and down. Keyboard. Let's see if there's power. Yes, there's power. It's gonna give me a test screen or anything? No? Nope, there we go. HDMI inactive, VGA inactive, auto something something. Input signal not found. That doesn't look too bad. Actually, I'm really happy right now. I have been wanting a monitor for ever. Been using this whole thing with HD signals. It's also really blotchy, like high definition back like during movies and stuff. And then yeah, the screen goes dark, like if it's between scenes, or if it's like a, you know, like you're watching a space movie and it's showing the stars and there's not enough light on the screen, it dims it for a power saving feature. It's so stupid. Why would it do that? It just ruins everything. It makes sense if the screen goes black and then it dims the backlight because it's just black, so why not dim the LEDs and save some power? But it's just, there's no option to turn it off. None at all. And it's so ridiculous. Lots of features though, lots of features, and I will definitely save this for later. It's got that coax. I wonder if it's an analog or a digital. You know, like you need that converter box, or if it already accepts the digital signal. Anyway, put that somewhere. I do like the idea of having multiple monitors in here. They all can do different things. You know, I already talked about putting one up there. And then we have like a, I don't know. There we go. Kind of neat having a second monitor, one for the security cameras and one for gaming, or my movies. Yes! Graininess is fixed. Keyboard. Oh. Looks beautiful. Oh, you guys, I'm so freaking happy. Oh my god! I love it. I don't see no anti-glare thing. It seems kind of bright though. Oh boy. There's a whole bunch of buttons down there and nothing is labeled except the power button. Holy moly. What am I supposed to do with all that? Like 4 of them. There's a power and then 4 other buttons. Tell me underneath? Kinda. No. Nothing. Maybe I'll just hit the next one in line and see if it's a menu button. Ah! Oh, there we go. Okay. I know what this is. This is like, I've played it around with another newer monitor, and you just hit any of these buttons and it'll give you this little kind of menu to tell you information there. Kind of tells you what your buttons are going to do, so they don't need to be labeled. Yeah, Elgato sound captures. It does that always. I need to update that or reinstall it or enable it in my device settings. Backlight hours. It tracks it. It has an odometer. Oh, that's freaking cool. Man, cheap monitor or not, I love it. It's working. It's made my computer look beautiful. I mean, it's not the best, obviously. You spend a good few $100 on a really nice monitor, but this is so nice. Oh, the last 2 videos I had to edit, and it was all just grainy, nasty. Look at the green. The greens are looking much better in this monitor. I did not even notice that in the last one. They're like almost neon, like glowing. The last one, I don't remember what the last one looked like, but it was off. The greens were off. Very, very awesome. $110. I'm happy with that purchase right there. Boom. Yes, I am looking forward. Oh, we could try that Hero 8. Oh, super duper happy. I'm gonna try some Space Engineers. That is the first thing I said to myself that I was going to do, is get on some Space Engineers. This is nice. so nice. All my everything is looking just a whole lot better. I was dealing with that for way too long. Yeah, I'm gonna turn the brightness down a little bit too. It seems kind of a little much. Oh my gosh, this is freaking awesome. Definitely got a little bit of an issue with the backlighting being too bright. You try and turn down the brightness a little bit more, but it's just a little overpowered, and I read that in a review, so I'm not the only one. But yeah, if that's the worst I have to deal with for $100 monitor, that is awesome. And it's so fluid now. Everything just moving around it's nuts. There's no lag. Look at that. That is so... this is great. I've never had a good video card before. Thanks again, Eric with an A. So much for sending in a video card. That helps a lot. Yeah, as I was saying with the video editing, that helped a little bit, but not a whole lot. I think I got to do a few things, like upgrading the CPU cooler, and everything is so nice. Wow. Crazy. And RAM. I think I gotta upgrade my RAM a little bit. I'll put some specs down below for those who keep asking. I keep forgetting. I want to put them on there, but it's a little hard to remember in the middle of a video. So yeah, it's a 6-core, I think, something, Bashira. I'll put the info down below or on the screen. Anyway, this is freaking awesome. Huge difference in the gaming. Videos will probably even play a whole lot better, as well as look a whole lot better. It would look freaking perfect if the backlighting wasn't so bright. There's just kind of a white haze because of that. Anyway, I'll upgrade this at a later time, get me a nice monitor, and this can be my second monitor for reading chat when I do live streams from here at the command center. Geez, that is nuts though, how fluid everything is. I need to go over to the mothership and check that out. That was always really bad. Anyway, I think I'm going to wrap it up there with that. Thank you everyone for watching. Oh, I think I'm talking kind of loud. These cut out noise really well. Yeah, upgrade all done. Just got a few more things. CPU cooler, and then some RAM. And then I'm going to save up. I'm going to try and save at least $1,000 for a good gaming PC, which I hear is just, you know, if you get a gaming PC that works well for video editing. I saw a really nice one on a Newegg. I finally made an account there. And I like some of this. I don't like how things sell out so quick though. I find this PC and it seems like there's only one in stock, even though there's 50 reviews on it. Seems like every time I go to Newegg, I see something I like and then it's gone and they don't restock it. Either way, I like what I'm seeing there for pre-built PCs. I don't really want to... I don't have the motivation to build a PC from scratch. I just rather have it done beforehand. That way it's guaranteed to work. It's supposed to get here, and if it doesn't, I can send it back and get another one. If I put it together and it doesn't work, that's a little more stressful. Oh crap, what did I do? So anyway, yeah, this looks amazing. I like it. Let's see if that helps with the Hero 8 footage. I'll bet it will help with me at least viewing it. Even in my video player, VLC, I couldn't watch the video, the footage from it. It was, it just wasn't playing right. So anyway, stay tuned. Lots coming up. Have a good day. Bye-bye.